Hello sweethearts, welcome to my channel. Finally sweetness, and I'm here. I have been able to put my ass down and record this video for you. So today's video is about a review and it's about this palette. Yep, this palette. It has a mirror in it and this is the shades. I hope you can see. Yes, I'm reviewing this and I created this look using this palette. So do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. And my returning subscribers, I love you so much. You're the reason why I keep beating myself up and I keep sitting right in front of my camera to record for you. So thank you so much. Please enjoy watching this video and do not forget to tell me what you want to see in my next video in my comment box and my notification guns. I love you too. I love you all. Enjoy the video. So I'm going to talk about the palette. The palette comes with a mirror and each and every color has its own name. So we have Daydream, we have Tickle, we have Excite, we have Infatuate, we have Teddy, we have Charmed, we have Raw, we have Tease, Secret, Concealed, Bear, Play, Fantasy, Love Bite, and lovely interesting names. So it's going to be easy for me to tell you which shade I'm using in this palette. So I want to go with my eye, cut my crease, put all the colors I want to put there for you to see how pigmented and how matte these colors are. So first of all, I'm going to go into my crease with Raw, this shade, and then it looks like Raw and Tease are very close. So I'm going to put in Tease in my crease rather and then blend with Raw. So I'm going in with my e.l.f. Oh, I've turned it. Okay, let me do it well. I'm going in with my e.l.f. C brush. And then, oh my god, I forgot to prep my eye. So I'm using my l.a.girl in the shade Fawn as an eyeshadow primer. I'm blending the concealer onto my eyelid so that it can pick the colors. If you have an eyeshadow primer, you can use it, but since it's a day kind of look I'm creating, I would love to go in with my concealer. So as you can see, it's time to play with colors, baby. Pick the shade Tease and then put it in my crease. Girl, you see, it's very pigmented. So that into my crease. It's so pigmented. Very pigmented. I didn't have to take too much, just a little dab. And I have it already into my crease. So I'm going to blend in with the shade Raw. This shade. I hope you can see this shade. Sorry. And this is Real Technique crease brush. I'm going to take a little and then blend. And if you've noticed, I'm using clean brushes so that you could feel the impact and the colors and the pigmented shades. That's why I'm using clean brushes, so that you won't say I've mixed or double dipped colors. So I told you they are very close. So I'm blending it with this. I'm going to take this shade. I'm using my Joseph Evita brush. It's a blender, right? in number J275. So I'm using that to pick the shade Crave and then put it in my inner corner like that. Just the colors are very close, so I'm going to cut my crease and then put on some colorful matte. I'm using my Maybelline Fits Me in the shade Medium Moyen to cut my crease. I had to change my brush because it wasn't really good for cutting the crease. So I'm going to continue cutting my crease using my detailer brush from Real Technique. So there we go. Yep, I'm going in with this shade. I had to turn it this way so you can see this shade first, and then I'll later go in with this. I don't know if you can see, but the color is as close as the concealer's shade, so you really don't see it. I should have used a very white concealer, or a white concealer anyway. So I'm going to take a different brush and then go in with this shade. This is Fantasy, and the first one I used is Spanked. So I've taken a different detailer brush, which is very clean. I want you to see the shades very well. And then bam, 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 bam. I don't know if you really see the color. Let me dim the light a little. Okay, so let me close my eyes now. So this is how matte the shades looks like. And then pick the same Crave, this shade here, and then blend it. Sorry. So the colors are very pigmented and very matte, and they are very okay. Let me try one of their glitters. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 glitters. So I'm taking this brush and looking at the shade I created. I think I should try Daydream. This shade here. Can you see? I had to dim my light because I noticed it was too bright. Look. And shining forehead. And when the light is dimmed, this is me. So as I said, they have shimmering good colors and very pigmented shades. It's just that the shades are so close. Using the Spank and the Fantasy is a little bit orange, and the Spank is like cream white kind of thing, and they are so close. The shades are so close, but pigmented. And but I tell you, the mirror in this palette is superb. So I'm still using the mirror in this palette. And then I'm going to put a little blush on. I'm using the shade to glow. So I'm using golden bronze, this one on my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette.